November 66 Romeo Delta, you're headed towards the wrong airport. I'm going to need you to turn left to heading 320.
Alright, good morning. I'm going to Greenville, South Carolina. There is a Grumman meeting. So I'm going to attend the Grumman meeting and have lunch there and come back.
November 66 Romeo Delta, please retire. Right turn out to the northeast to Peru, runway 3 left, clear takeoff. Traffic on the left base is Sierra.
65. Rotate. I'm 2060.
November 6 Romeo Delta, please change route.
You can change approach number, thank you. So 3500 feet. Gonna level off here for a bit. Actually, I can climb to 5500 if gone.
On approach, again.
Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta request.
66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta.
Plan approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta. We're about 9 miles northeast of PDK, looking for VFR flight following to Golf Mike uniform. We're Grumman Tigers, Alpha 5 Bravo, cruising 5500.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, squawk 5260.
5260, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 393, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, radar contact. 10 miles northeast of Heat Shooty Cap, land altimeter 3025.
3025, 6 Romeo Delta. Okay, Echo.
Hotel Charlie Echo, turn left, heading 10.
Alright, thanks.
843 Mike Foxtrot, fly heading 280. Just going to maintain 3000.
280, 3000, pretty much that's right.
66 Romeo Delta, connect. Are you staying at 5500?
5500, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, connect to approach 132.47.
132.47, 6 Romeo Delta. Plan Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, 5500.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, left approach, Athens altimeter 3028.
3028, 6 Romeo Delta. We got the flight following. A little bit of clouds and you can actually see a nice haze layer. So I got my autopilot going on there. So that's Lake Lanier. Oopsie. So my strategy was kept loose and knocked off the avionics master switch. So I was like
875, that's Charlie.
Bus 875, roger.
So I had to reset everything, but everything is properly trimmed at that point. So nothing's really changed. We got about 34 minutes to go.
Lab course 875, should maintain 6000.
Maintain 6000, man. 875.
So I have an airport right to my right, just Jackson County Airport. So on my way back, I might stop there, get some fuel. So it is 127.079.
Robert 66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta Center 127.5.
Contact lands are 127.5. Atlanta Center Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 5500.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta Center, roger, Athens altimeter 3037.
3027, 6 Romeo.
Number 4782, just increase your speed greater than 320 or better, please.
The oil temperature looks good. Outside air 46 degrees. The fuel is good. All CHD good. So look at 1300, not bad. Shortly I'll be contacting
Delta 1103, contact Atlanta approach 127.9.
rear approach.
66 Romeo Delta 118.8.
118.8, somewhere, thank you. Rear Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 5500.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta Great Approach, for altimeter 3032.
3036 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta fighting 090. Greenville downtown, let you guys on about a 10-mile final.
Hi, heading 090 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Six Romeo Delta, turn left heading 040. Join the final inbound.
Left heading 040, on final inbound 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, roger. You can contact Greenville Tower on 109.9. Have a good day, sir.
Contact Greenville Tower 119.9. Have a good day, thank you. Greenville Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta 3000, descending.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Greenville Tower, runway 10607, altimeter 3031, cleared to land.
Clear to land runway 16 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, you're headed towards the wrong airport. I'm going to need you to turn left, suggest the heading 320. You're on final for GSP. And they got a Navy P3, it's about to pass over your head.
66 Romeo Delta, sorry about that, yeah, turning left 320.
November 9 Foxtrot steering, proceed on course, steers crash.
With our distraction 9, Foxtrot here.
November 6 Romeo Delta, now suggest you start a right turn to 010, and when established, you'll be on a 3-mile final. Do you have me in sight?
6 Romeo Delta, I do have there, runway 1 inside, thank you for that.
November 6 Romeo Delta, runway 1 clear to land.
Runway 1 clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta. Okay, I almost screwed up. I pretty much realized it before the control called it. Oh my god. 30 degrees of flaps. A little bit high, but it's okay.
Greenville Tower, Strawberry, Southwest Fox.
Calling tower, I heard Citabria, the rest of it was a blur.
Strawberry 87 Victor Foxtrot, it's about 8 miles, correction, 9 miles to the south, runway inside.
November 6 Romeo Delta, turn left right there, contact ground point 25.
Turn left, Delta, contact ground 6 Romeo Delta. Greenville Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, going to Runway Cafe.
Hey, Grumman calling ground straight ahead, then make a right turn on Alpha 3.
Straight ahead, right turn on Alpha 3.